So I'll do a quick video now with this filler, because as I've said in some of my other videos, I don't tend to use the decorating caulk now, just because of how it wants to crack over the paint, which doesn't really leave for a very good finish. So this is what I tend to do. Got a bit of easy fill here, just knocked up, and I'm going to use my finger, just like this, and where this is just broken through, you just force your finger into it and get that filler right in there. Try and smooth it out the best you can, and it'll just make sanding that down a little bit easier. Now, anywhere I would normally use caulk, this is now the system that I will follow, is just this easy fill on the end of your finger, just working it in. Another little bit there that just broke through when I was sanding that back out. So go back around and check it all. Just a little bit deep, that one there. Have a look around, see if you can see anything else. If you have broken through, just do that with the finger. I'll do these as well at a later date up at the top there, no doubt you can see those. There's a bit there. And the way I filled that, the cracks in the coving as well, the ones that are in, I'll show you. Easier to show you rather than try and explain. Give us a second. Okay, it's a bit deep as well. This is going to be a quick video. It's going to be quite lengthy now, isn't it? Right. Show you what I mean on the coving. So with my flexible filling knife, I filled this section here, but then the cracks that run through this curved piece, I literally just got my finger again and just worked the filler into where those open cracks were, and that does work a treat, to be honest. It's the easier way of getting it in there rather than using your flexible filling knife and trying to shape all that in after you've got filler in the ceiling, filler on the coving. It's just easy to damage the stuff you've just filled. So use your finger, nice and easy. Right, that's it. That's the end of this one.